How to create happy birthday song with name. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this process, you just need to open up your Chrome browser on your device, and as you tap on your Chrome browser, on the search bar, you just have to search for this website called One Happy Birthday. So just tap on One Happy Birthday, and you just have to tap on the very first option that pops up. So just tap on it, and then over here on the search bar where it says find your name, you just have to mention the name of the person whose its birthday. So I'm gonna type in for this name over here and then tap on the search bar. After tapping on the search bar, you can see the option of the names that pops up. You just have to select the correct name, and then after doing that, you can see the option of play birthday song. So just tap on play birthday song. Oh, just happy birthday. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.